Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Turkey Fryer Electric is probably one of the most convenient ways to cook a turkey, especially for those who love the taste of a deep-fried turkey but want a safer and easier method. This appliance offers a controlled cooking environment, reducing the risk of fire hazards associated with traditional oil-filled fryers. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile option for any home cook looking to elevate their holiday feasts or weekend gatherings. Number 5. Nuwave Bravo 12-in-1 Smart Oven. Need to adjust the temperature or cooking time? This oven makes it easy. You can make changes anytime without restarting the process. The intuitive digital controls are simple to use. This air fryer toaster oven constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food. It automatically stops cooking when the desired temperature is reached. You'll never have to worry about under or overcooking again. It comes with 12 preset cooking functions for various cooking methods. There are also 100 pre-programmed recipe presets, plus 50 slots for your own recipes. This gives you a lot of options. Set temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise increments. The patented linear T technology maintains the set temperature throughout the cooking process. This ensures perfect results every time, unlike older methods. From the tempered glass door to the heavy-duty cooking racks, everything is made with quality in mind. The non-stick enamel baking pan, broiler rack, crumb tray, and air fry basket are all included. What we like. This oven offers incredible versatility with its 12 preset cooking functions, allowing you to air fry, bake, and more. It also features a digital temperature probe, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. If you are looking for a kitchen appliance that can do it all, this is the one for you. What people say. This oven does multiple duty as a large toaster oven, a small convection oven, a broiler, and with a grill plate, a small grill. It can air fry, but is a bit big to do as well as a dedicated fryer. It preheats very fast, in only a few minutes, and is quite effective at cooking anything that fits inside. Number 4. Chefman 4.5L Deep Fryer. This deep fryer has a 4.5-liter capacity, perfect for making large portions. It's great for parties, holidays, or any time you crave fried food. This fryer is a must-have for your cooking needs. Skip the takeout and make restaurant-style appetizers in minutes. The temperature control dial makes it easy to adjust for precise frying. The 1700-watt heating element ensures your food is cooked quickly and evenly. Frying at home doesn't have to mean a big mess. The frying basket clips to the side for easy oil draining. Plus, the basket is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Check on your food's crispiness with the viewing window. The magnetic breakaway cord prevents spills and accidents. You can focus on cooking without worrying about safety. This product is CETL approved with advanced safety technology. It comes with a 1-year assurance from Chefman. You can find a PDF user guide for more information. What we like. This deep fryer is perfect for feeding a crowd, with its large 4.5-liter capacity. It also brings restaurant-quality results right to your kitchen, with adjustable temperature controls. If you love to host parties or have a big family, this fryer will make your life easier. What people say. The fryer has a removable pot which makes it easy to clean. The electric turkey fryer is easy to use and maintain. The turkey fryer has a built-in timer and temperature control. Number 3. Chefman Fry Guy 1.5-liter Mini Fryer. Introducing the Chefman Fry Guy, the deep fryer you've always wanted. It's compact, yet powerful, perfect for cooking your favorite comfort foods quickly and easily. This mini fryer boasts a 1.6-quart capacity and a 1000-watt heater. It can deep fry crispy chicken, golden French fries, and delicious veggies up to 375 degrees. Prepare your favorite carnival desserts or southern-style chicken right on your countertop. A transparent viewing window lets you watch the food cook to perfection, and the restaurant-style fry basket helps you master your meals. Cleanup is a breeze with this fryer. The stainless steel finish wipes down easily, and the removable lid and built-in filter make it even easier. Plus, it has dishwasher-safe parts and a detachable magnetic cord. This product is UL approved with advanced safety technology. It also comes with a 1-year warranty from Chefman, so you can purchase it worry-free. A PDF user guide is available for more information. What we like. This mini fryer is the perfect solution for quick and easy comfort food. It heats up quickly and features a transparent viewing window, allowing you to monitor your food. If you like crispy chicken or French fries, this compact fryer is a must-have for your countertop. What people say. The fryer has a removable pot which makes it easy to clean. The electric turkey fryer is easy to use and cooks the turkey to perfection. It has a built-in timer and temperature control. Number 2. Presto 8-quart multi-cooker. This multi-cooker does it all. You can steam, stew, roast, boil, and deep fry. It's perfect for preparing a wide variety of meals. With a larger capacity than the classic model, this cooker is great for big meals. It's ideal for family gatherings or preparing food in batches. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Once the heat control is removed, it's fully immersible and dishwasher safe. The included basket is perfect for steaming, blanching, or frying. It easily hooks onto the side for convenient draining. The Control Master heat control system maintains the perfect temperature. Whether deep frying, steaming, or roasting, it ensures consistent results. The heavy cast aluminum base ensures even heat distribution. This design is built for long-lasting performance, so you can enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time. What we like. This multi-cooker is incredibly versatile, allowing you to steam, stew, roast, and deep fry. It also features a non-stick surface for easy cleanup. If you are looking for a kitchen workhorse that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, consider this one. What people say. It's a very versatile appliance. You can use it for frying, steaming, slow cooking, or even making soups and stews. Easy to clean, heats up quickly and cooks evenly. Easy to use, easy to wash, easy to use, and the time is perfect. Number 1. Feasto 30QT Turkey Fryer and 10QT Fish Fryer Kit. This turkey fryer features an auto-ignition system for easy and efficient cooking. Simply insert an AA battery, and the system is ready to go. It makes outdoor cooking more convenient. The kit includes a 30QT turkey fryer, a 10QT fish frying pot, and various accessories. It comes with a lid, baskets, a thermometer, and more. This set has everything you need for a feast. The 30QT pot is perfect for deep frying turkey and fish, or boiling soups and stews. The 10QT pot is great for frying fish, fries, and other snacks. This combo design offers many cooking options. The powerful burner delivers up to 50,000 BTU, heating oil or water quickly. It has an adjustable air control panel and a 10 psi regulator for safety and stability. You can adjust it to get the desired BTU. The heavy-duty steel frame provides strong support for outdoor cooking. As the turkey fryer bubbles with hot oil, the aroma of seasoned turkey fills the air. It creates a festive atmosphere. What we like. This outdoor turkey fryer is perfect for large gatherings and offers a high-powered burner for quick cooking. It also comes with auto-ignition for added convenience. If you enjoy outdoor cooking and want to make a delicious turkey for Thanksgiving, you should consider this. What people say. Great fryer works well. It is perfect for deep frying a turkey and doing a seafood boil. It works perfectly with my woks. Great purchase and have used consistently for several seasons and different meats be just turkey. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.